Got a little boy's tool chest. I had it sitting over on the concrete behind my shelves and stuff, so it's got wet and ruined the bottom, but it's kind of a nifty little thing. It's got the little hasp here. I had one of them damn little lacrosse spiders were underneath it, or living in there, so I had to spray it down with a little bit and kill that fricker. Don't want getting bit by him. But I thought this was kind of a nifty little setup. Like I said, it's for a boys. It's got the little pry bar. It pivots out. I don't know if this would have been like a little Boy Scout project. It's got to hold in is square down at the bottom. There's a little measure. What even is that? 20 centimeters. That's crazy. And here's this guy. Pollard brand, broken little pliers. It's got a neat little spot for everything. Everybody doing their little tool chests. I thought this was kind of cool. I'm looking at building a couple myself. What do we got in there? Oh, a little socket set. That's what these are. And here we go. I thought it was interesting. Thought I'd stamp a quick. I suppose all your screwdrivers hang over here. I don't know, just a cheap little thing, but something interesting. Somebody might know what it is.